Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I got something a little bit different, and I think you guys can kind of guess what that's going to be. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best, and I could not do this channel without you. I couldn't appreciate you more. Thank you for all the comments, liking and subscribing, and just your general interaction with the channel. It always does help out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you here to my channel, be sure to check out Dave the Shoeman on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So without further ado, I am going to take this SKMEI watch. I just did a review on this SKMEI watch. It does boast 30 meters of water resistance. And I did get a comment that said that it was not suitable for anything more than washing your hands or taking a shower. But I'm actually going to throw it in the pool here and see what we've got with this watch. As you can see, it does work. It is a really nice watch with the silicone band. I will be posting a link to this in the description below. It will send $1 or $2 over to me if you decide to purchase this watch using that affiliate link. But this is a great watch. It's a very, very budget-friendly watch. If you check out my review on it, which I will post a link to in the description below, you can see the full review on this watch. But I'm actually going to throw it in the pool here, and then I'm going to take it out and take a look at it and see if it holds up. It is a really nice watch, but like I said, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles that a much higher end watch would have. It has a glass crystal with a zinc oxide, I believe it's zinc oxide case, and a pressed on back, case back. It does have stainless steel, painted stainless steel buckle on the silicone band, and it is available in many different colors and band combinations, as well as bracelet combinations. So definitely, if you're interested in a beater watch that you can wear out that looks great, and you don't want to break the bank, definitely check it out. I will post a link to it on AliExpress below, so you guys can head on over and check it out. Once again, also the lume on this thing is really, really good. I don't know if I can simulate that or show you guys that out here, but we'll take it inside after I'm done throwing it in the pool and take a good look at it and see if it holds up. So here we go. Let's get this thing in the water. As you can see, it's right down there at the bottom of the pool, which is about, I want to say 4.5 feet, maybe 4 feet down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit down there for a minute or two, and then we'll pull it up and check it out. But once again, while we're waiting, I am Dave the Watchman. I am also Dave the Shoeman on YouTube. So you can check out my shoe review videos if you click on the link below in the description. I will post a link to the Dave the Shoeman channel, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman. But this is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, I would always appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Let's see here. Let's move it around just a little bit, because the statement that I made in the last video was that it could be used. I didn't say that it was a dive watch, because it's not a dive watch, but I did say that you could use it at the beach. And I did have a commenter actually state that it was not suitable for going to the beach because it's only suitable for hand washing. So that's why we're doing this little experiment here. So let's pull this thing out of the water. Oh, dropped it. So let's pull this thing out of the water, and I'll see you guys inside so we can take a look at this thing and see how well it held up. So let's pull this thing out now. Hard to do this with one hand. And here we go. Oh my. Okay guys, we're in the house now, and I just got this thing in from dunking it in the pool. And let's take a look at it. Once again, this is a response video to a comment So if you don't think your comments make a difference, this will show you that. So please comment on this, on any of my videos. You never know what I'll do next to show you guys how a watch stands up to whatever. I have actually run watches over with a tractor. I've chainsawed a tree down with some watches on. And I've done a lot of stuff with watches just to show you guys the durability of a watch. But let's take a look at this one and see if it actually held up, and if there's any water inside the case after dunking it in the pool. So let's take a good look at it. All right, guys, it looks like it is perfectly clean in there. I don't see any mist or moisture on it. And you guys saw I threw it at the bottom of the pool and it sat there for a couple of minutes. So that just should prove to you that it's good enough for more than just hand washing. I don't see anywhere where the water breached the case, and everything looks good. It's still ticking. So once again, this is the SKMEI what is it? The SKMEI 9276. 9276, it's got the domed glass crystal, quartz movement, silicone band. It's unbelievably comfortable. It has a stainless steel clasp, painted stainless steel clasp with a zinc alloy case. 30 meters of water resistance is what it states. And you did just see that I threw it down in the pool. So this is great for a day at the beach. I do stand by my comment in my review video of this watch. It's great for a day on the beach, or in the rain, or whatever you want to do. You don't have to worry about getting it wet. And the price on this thing is absolutely amazing. So if something does happen to it, you can literally throw it away and buy another one. That price is under $15 right now on Amazon. On AliExpress. So I would definitely head on over and pick that up. It does have free shipping and a 90-day return policy on it. So if you do go to the beach, go swimming, get it wet in the rain, or any other activity causes this to malfunction, you do have 90 days to return it. It does have the date format at the 6 o'clock position. And the wave texture dial on the front is just really nice touch to it. It does have a 4.6 star review on AliExpress right now. It's available in many other colors, also with metal bracelet options. So definitely head on over to AliExpress using that affiliate link below if you want to pick this watch up and wear it for yourself. But that should remove all doubt as far as the wearability in wet conditions as far as this watch is concerned. And this was a response to a comment that I did receive, that I could potentially be misleading my viewers by stating that this could be a good watch for a day at the beach. Well, I think I've just proved that. But like I said before, if you don't think your comments matter, on this channel they do. So post all those comments in the comment section below and let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. I'll take a look at those comments and you never know what I'll do next. So once again, Dave the Watchman on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out this channel. And if men's fashion is what brought you to this channel today, then be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. I will post a link to that in the description below, so you guys can check out my men's shoes and footwear related videos, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman. So once again, Dave the Watchman on YouTube. I am out of here. You guys all have a great weekend.